Hello, we're going to look at rounding using a vertical number line. And we're going to focus on that third grade where you round numbers to the nearest 10 or 100. So let's look at the number 73. So let's say we want to round 73 to the nearest 10. Okay? And we're going to say that is, and we're not sure yet. Okay? So let's use a vertical number line. So first, I'm going to draw a vertical number line. Now vertical goes up and down. Now what I have to ask myself is I'm rounding to the nearest 10. So how many tens are in the number 73? Well, there are 7 tens. And that is equal to 70. Now I ask myself, what is one more 10? Well, that would be 8 tens. And that is 80. Okay, the next step is what is halfway between 70 and 80? That is 75. Okay, now all I need to do is plot 73 on my number line. Now I'm going to switch colors just so it's easier to see. Now I'm going to plot 73. So right here we've got 71, 72, 73, 74, and then 75. So 71, 72, 73. So right there is that 73. And so 73 is right there. Now, the next step is 73 on my number line. Is it halfway or more? If so, to the nearest 10 would be 80. If it's less than halfway, the nearest 10 would be 70. Well, it's less than halfway, so it would be 70. So 73 to the nearest 10 is 70. Okay? Now, let's say I want to round to the nearest 100. Well, let's take the number 464. So we're going to go 464 rounded to the nearest 100. Scoot that up for you. Is, we're not sure yet. Okay? So let's draw our vertical number line. Okay? Now I have to ask myself how many hundreds, because I'm rounding to the nearest 100, how many hundreds are in 464? Well, there are 4 hundreds, or 400. One more 100 would be 500. Okay, now let's just fix this, a little hard to see there. Okay, now I have to ask myself what's halfway between 400 and 500. That's 450. Okay, now let's switch markers here. I'm going to plot 464. So this would be 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, and now 464 is going to be around right there. So 464. Okay. Now I ask myself if it's halfway or more, it's going to be 500. Less than halfway, 400. Well, 464 is more than halfway, so it's closer to 500. So 464 rounded to the nearest 100 is 500. And that is how you can use a vertical number line to do rounding. Thank you.